players are going to play this. Dylan and Ethan are going to act, and Jared and Seth will do the sound effects. Jared for Ethan and Seth for Dylan.
You got that?
You got that?
Here, sit over here. Come on, E. You're acting with me. Go, go, Mike. No, my dad's sleeping, guys. Stop. No, my dad's sleeping.
That's not loud.
No.
That's not loud.
Come on, guys. Come on, we're taking too long. Ethan.
Dylan is a husband.
No, wait. Just wait.
Tell Dylan it's not loud.
Stand over there. You're right.
Husband.
Jared's doing the sounds for who? Ethan.
Jared
I got you.
for Ethan.
J-E.
Dylan, guys, be quiet.
Dylan is a
husband
Yeah,
and
I'll go
Ethan is a heavily pregnant wife. You are at an amusement park when Ethan suddenly goes into labor and has to get to the hospital.
What am I doing for?
No, Jared,
Yeah,
go
you're
by
doing the
Seth.
sounds for
You're doing sounds
for Ethan.
He's 2 months pregnant.
No, 9 months pregnant, you
Alright,
fat
so
idiot.
sound. Okay, here we go.
My baby's huge.
Oh, yes. So,
Listen, I can hear her shaking in the belly.
really? Let's hear it.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
There's an alarm
Oh
going
my
off.
gosh.
What is going on?
Wow.
Oh, it's just a duck outside. Duck.
Oh, just a duck. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy this amusement park. Can't you hear everyone having fun? Oh my gosh, what was that? Sorry.
Yeah, what was that? Excuse me.
Sorry. I think that was the baby.
Oh. You little. Oh, sorry.
Okay. So, what?
Hold on. That guy's falling off the roller coaster.
Oh my gosh. Catch him with your stomach.
My leg.
It's gone.
Don't you know you're not supposed to do your own sound effects?
Don't you know this is merchants only?
Alright,
Okay,
so,
so what ride first?
yeah, well, you decide. You're pregnant.
Let's get on this. It's called the... Oh, it's already gone.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god. It just broke.
Oh, okay, just
They
broke.
don't make stuff quality like they
I
used to.
know. No,
I say we go on the Ferris wheel.
Ferris
They're
wheel,
getting into a fight over there. You hear that? You see that? They stopped.
I guess it's not anymore. They saw your stomach and they puked.
Oh god. Alright, let's get on this thing.
Okay, Ferris wheel.
It's gonna squeak. Okay. Oh god, we gotta get off.
Oh man, you know,
Too much
a bit-
weight.
Yeah, too
Too
fat.
much weight.
Too fat.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'll go on it. You wait down here.
Okay.
Let me pull down my safety bar. I guess I'm fat. You try it.
Something dripping.
I think so. Did your water just broke?
Oh no, there's more on the stove.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
All right, you going on the Ferris wheel? Pull down your safety bar.
Oh god, it broke.
Oh man, come on!
Oh, okay, what ride next? What ride? That
All
one.
right.
You hear the guns? What the heck? Baby, be careful.
Ethan, going into labor.
You want some food?
What?
You're going
She's
to...
coming out!
You all right? We gotta get... All right, come on.
What do I do?
We gotta get to a We gotta get to a hospital.
No, hospital. She's cut. Oh, she's
Oh my
yawned.
God.
She's yawned.
Let me see.
Listen to her heartbeat.
Listen to the heartbeat. No. Listen to the heartbeat.
That's
Oh my gosh, what a lovely
You
heartbeat.
forgot the pattern. Get it out. Okay.
There you go.
Get that.
Let me
Help
see
me
it.
out. Oh my god, she's not done.
Oh my gosh, there's more.
Okay, help me up.
All right.
Listen to her. Listen to her cry.
Oh my god! What is this? I thought it was a baby, but it's like an animal.
Dude, what the heck is it?
I have no idea. What is that?
Bad baby.
Oh man. Okay. So what do you want to do now?